I really want you guys to focus now because this is the only complicated parameter to understand. If you understand this, khalas, everything is easy. So first the parameter, if you see on your charts, on the x-axis, we have something called as dry bulb temperature. In simple terms, is your room temperature. So if you want to measure dry bulb temperature, what do? You take thermometer and you just measure temperature of the room. Perfect. Now wet bulb temperature. I really want you guys to focus now because I think in my opinion this is the only complicated parameter to understand. So what is wet bulb temperature? What I will do is I will take a cloth and I'll wet that cloth, and if I tie that cloth to the thermometer and I swing it in the room. So what I'm trying to do here is I am trying to understand how quickly this cloth will get dried up. So it depends, right? Depends on what? Depends on the surrounding, wherever you're doing that. So let's say that the cloth is getting dried up easily. So what does that mean? That means wet bulb is low. That means moisture getting easily evaporated. What does that mean? The room is dry. So khalas, I think I want you to remember two things. If the moisture content in the room is low, wet bulb is low. If the moisture content in the room is high, wet bulb is high. I'm saying that wet bulb is low and wet bulb is high. What do you mean by low and high? With respect to what? Exactly. So you should always understand that. If the wet bulb is close to dry bulb, that means what? Moisture content is very high in that room. If it is far away, we are in peace. So do you think that air itself has moisture in it? So that water vapor can become water when it will become water. So basically dry bulb and wet bulb, if both are same, that means we have reached dew point or saturation temperature.